Welcome to Cricket Next special IPL 2025 auction preview show. It's the time of the year when franchisees across the country open their wallets and the cricketing world watches in anticipation. The IPL 2025 mega auction is just around the corner and it promises to be an event like no other. The auction will be taking place on November 24th and 25th in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This is only the second time the IPL auction will be held overseas, with last year's auction taking place in Dubai. And let me tell you, this is going to be a big one. The 2025 auction is a mega auction. Every 3 years, the franchisee hit the reset button and have to rebuild their squads with just a handful of players retained. So, what's at stake this time? Teams were allowed to retain only 6 players, so a lot of new faces will be entering the league. And to make things even more exciting, we have 2 marquee sets of players up for grabs at the start. Let's take a look at some of the biggest names going under the hammer. In the first marquee set, we have powerhouses like Jos Buttler, Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Kagiso Rabada, Arshdeep Singh and Mitchell Starc. Expect fierce bidding wars for these top names. And in the second marquee set, it's no less exciting. Yuzvendra Chahal, Liam Livingstone, David Miller, KL Rahul, Mohammad Shami and Mohammad Siraj will all be in demand. These players have proven themselves time and again and they are sure to attract some serious bids. Those are some big names, but of course, it's not just about the marquee players. The IPL auction is also about finding those hidden gems, those uncapped players who could turn into the next big star. Among the uncapped players, one name that has already caught everyone's attention is 13-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi from Bihar. This young cricketer is making waves and he's got a base price of 30 lakh. Imagine the bidding fever when his name is called out. I think the teams are really going to be scouting talent across all levels. It's going to be a huge day. This year, 574 players will go under the hammer, with 366 Indian players and 208 overseas stars. And of course, the bidding process will be divided into different phases, starting with the marquee sets, followed by capped players and then the uncapped players. After that, we go into an accelerated phase where teams will try to grab those last-minute picks. Now, let's talk money. Each team has a total purse of Rs 120 crore to build their squads. But of course, some of that money has already been spent on retaining players. For example, Punjab Kings have the biggest purse with Rs 110.5 crore left, while teams like Chennai Super Kings have Rs 55 crore to play with, and each team can fill up to 25 slots with a maximum of 8 overseas players. So that gives a total of 204 slots still available for grabs. There's a lot of work to be done. Speaking of which, let's take a closer look at some of the key players who have already been retained by the teams and will not be available for bidding. The Mumbai Indians have retained a core group of players like Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah and Suryakumar Yadav. They have still got Rs 45 crore in their purse and 20 slots left to fill. Then there's Chennai Super Kings who have held on to key players like MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja and Ruturaj Gaikwad. They have Rs 55 crore and 20 slots filled. Can they build on their winning formula? Meanwhile, Punjab Kings have retained only 2 players, but they have got the largest purse to play with, Rs 110.5 crore. They have got 23 slots to fill, so expect them to be super active during the auction. Now, let's talk strategy. The right to match RTM option is a unique feature in the IPL auction. This means that if a player is bought by another franchisee, the previous team can use the RTM to match the highest bid and bring the player back into their squad. Teams like Punjab Kings and Royal Challengers Bangalore, who have multiple RTM options, will be closely monitoring the bidding process, looking to bring back some of their key players. It's all about strategy and managing their purse wisely. It's going to be an action-packed 2 days. The IPL 2025 mega auction promises to bring new faces, fierce competition, and of course, plenty of drama. Will we see a record-breaking bid? Which team will come out on top? Will your team pick up the next big star? We'll find out soon enough. See you on November 24th and 25th for all the action from Jeddah. Stay tuned with Cricket Next as we bring you live updates from the IPL 2025 mega auction.